it does has the capability of bringing a revolution in the field of artificial intelligence and search engine. Technologies and innovations like this has often proved to be the mechanism of killing human jobs. Hello everyone, this is Noor welcoming you all to my channel Lightly Noor. I am currently a manager at Amazon and I carry 6+ years of corporate experience. In this channel, I talk about IT news and updates, job and interview tips, life and lifestyle lessons. If you are interested in any of these, consider subscribing to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about ChatGPT, which has taken the tech industry by storm. It claims to bring a revolution in the artificial intelligence and tech industry. So we'll discuss about all these things in this video. We are going to discuss what is ChatGPT, how we can use ChatGPT in our day-to-day work. I will show you the live interface of ChatGPT. We shall also discuss the benefits of ChatGPT and the final section, can ChatGPT replace Google in the near future? So stay tuned on this video and watch this video till the end so that you do not miss any important points. So the first question, what is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is nothing but a new or updated variant of GPT. So GPT is generative pre-training transformer and ChatGPT is an updated version of it. It has been specially designed to handle conversational languages such as the ones which are used in chatbots. Just like a chatbot, it is able to understand the context and the flow of a conversation and generate responses and answer according to it. So it's a deep learning model that has been trained on a large data set of text and can generate human-like text when given a prompt. This technology can be used to develop the chatbots and the conversational systems like Alexa or Siri in a much more efficient and robust way. So it is basically a language model built by OpenAI. Now the question is, what is OpenAI? So OpenAI is a research laboratory that conducts research in artificial intelligence and machine learning. It was founded in 2015 by a group of entrepreneurs including Elon Musk and Sam Altman, who is the current CEO of OpenAI. So coming to the next section of the video, how can you use ChatGPT in your day-to-day work? While ChatGPT can be used by businesses to enhance its chatbot and customer support efficacy, but ChatGPT can be useful to people like us for our day-to-day activities. It is like a personal virtual assistant which gives you all the information at one place. Just to simplify this for you, let's suppose you are searching for the best biryani places in Bangalore. So if you search this on Google, you will find hundreds of websites and blogs which might have conflicting information. But ChatGPT can solve that problem for you. It can give you the list of top 10 biryani places in Bangalore at one place at a single go. So you can save that time of going through multiple blogs and making a decision. Now, how to use ChatGPT? It's a very simple interface, just like a Google sign up. I'll take you to my laptop screen and show you how to do it. Alright, so we are at my laptop screen. Here you need to type OpenAI and it brings you here. This is an OpenAI interface. Like I said, ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. Here if you see, introducing ChatGPT research release. So it is still in a very nascent stage. However, you can still try and see how does the interface looks like. So click there and it brings you to this chart window. So let me take few examples to show you how it works. Best biryani place in Bangalore. Isn't this amazing? Let me give one more example. How to lose weight. So hope this example gave you an understanding of how ChatGPT works. Let us go back to the main video and we shall discuss it further. Now coming back, what are the benefits of ChatGPT? First and the most important thing is convenience. It brings all the information at one place so that you do not have to hop on to various blogs and websites to search for one information. Second is time saving. Since you are getting all the information at one place and at a go, you save a lot of time. So coming to the most interesting commenting section of the video. Can ChatGPT replace Google in the near future? Well, the answer to this really depends on the way how ChatGPT is going to evolve with time and how it shapes up in the future. Currently, it is at a very nascent stage, yet it does has the capability of bringing a revolution in the field of artificial intelligence and search engine. Because in this era of speed, we all need a virtual assistant which can provide us with all the information at one place and at one go. Now, most of you would say that Google is the place where you get all your answers at one place, but you have to go through lots of websites and blog to arrive at a conclusion. If you're looking for certain information on Google and you get a Wikipedia page for that, then you rely on the Wikipedia page and you do not hop onto other websites and blog to double confirm or cross check the information. But there is no Wikipedia for dynamic information. For example, best biryani places in Bangalore. Since this information is dynamic and it can change every week, month or so, there is no Wikipedia page for it. So if you want to look out for these information, you will have to go through several blogs and websites to arrive at a conclusion. So if ChatGPT can fill in this vacuum, and if it can be evolved in such a way where it can collate, consolidate all the information and bring it at one place, then nothing like it. And it might replace Google, but you never know. Google might also come up with something very similar. Hence, it is too early to say whether it is going to replace Google or not, but it is definitely going to bring a revolution in artificial intelligence and chatbot efficacy. I have one major call out for the people of customer support industry, that ChatGPT can play a very pivotal role in the chatbot operations and customer support operations. Technologies and innovations like this has often proved to be the mechanism of killing human jobs. So look out for the progress of this AI tool in the future. This brings me to the end of the video. Hope this video was informative. If yes, please like the video so that it helps the content reach to a larger audience. Consider subscribing to my channel if you like my content. Thank you so much for watching me. I'll keep bringing such informative content in this channel. So stay tuned and good luck.